In this video, let's talk about the way that you fix the PayPal withdraw pending issue. Now, these sort of issues mainly occur inside of PayPal due to your account being limited. So if your account is currently limited, you should be able to see a notification just like this inside of your homepage, and you can quickly tap on this option. Now, resolving this issue simply means adding in your identity document, as well as you may also need to add in your address proof. So you simply see a page like this where you need to verify your identity. You may see a section called upload your photo ID as well as your address proof. So once you complete this step, within 72 hours, you should be able to get your account back. You should be able to withdraw your pending amount. What you also need to do is you need to ensure that your linked bank accounts are verified. So if you currently linked a bank account or even your card details are verified, and make sure that PayPal has accepted them. Once you ensure these information, you should be able to fix the PayPal withdraw pending issue. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.